Today I'm going to show you how to make the fluffiest chipa you'll ever try. Gluten-free, made with just a few ingredients and with a texture that will surprise you. Let's get started with the recipe. In a bowl, mix 500 grams of yuca starch, 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, and 1.5 teaspoons baking powder. Make a well in the center and add 3 large eggs, along with 100 grams of softened unsalted butter. Mix with your fingers until it turns into a creamy mixture. Now start incorporating the dry ingredients until a crumbly dough forms. Add 300 grams of well-drained cottage cheese. For extra flavor, mix in 100 grams of grated cheese. Mix everything together until the dough is smooth and uniform. If the dough feels too soft, add more yuca starch, 1 tablespoon at a time until it's easier to handle. Divide the dough into portions of about 50 grams and roll them into small balls. Evenly space the rolls on a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper. Place the rolls in a preheated oven at 260 degrees Celsius or 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and puffed. Final tip, make sure not to overbake, that way they stay soft and don't dry out. And that's it, the easiest, soft and fluffy chipas you'll want to make again and again. I hope you love this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Ciao!